See, this is what we call an emotional chart. This is a straight handwriting. This is a right slant handwriting. And this is a left slant handwriting. This is a right slant, this is straight, and this is left. A right slant handwriting depicts people who are expressive and will show their emotions. Straight handwriting depicts people who are generally composed. They will be able to meet emergencies with a calm mind, and also they will not be very expressive. A left slant handwriting indicates people who are actually introverts, or they are actually very reserved, you can say. Here are some small M's and N's. Here you will see the M's and N's are finishing in a point at the top. This indicates people who have got a sharp mind or a good grasping ability. They will not take time to understand anything. Here the M's and N's are having inverted V's. Ulta V's hai aap dekhiye, the inverted V's are there. This indicates people who have got curiosity for learning. They want to learn and explore new things. This is an M and N, which we were taught to write in school with a rounded top. This indicates people who are actually slow thinkers. There is nothing negative about it. Slow thinking means people take time to understand something. They may not be able to grasp anything instantly like this person, but if they study and re-study something, then they will understand it very well, maybe better than this person who is a sharp thinker. Okay, now I will show you some upper strokes. Upper strokes are there in L, T, D, H, whatever stroke going up. Now here you see this one L is made, there is no loop here. Here there is a small loop. Here there is also a loop, and here is a bigger loop. And sensitive. Person is touchy, or the person is compassionate. They feel for others. And touchy, you know very well that if someone tells you something, you may tend to get hurt. This is a sign of being sensitive. Now I will show you some A's and O's. This is a normal A. This is a normal O. Now here you will see that there are gaps in the A's and O's. This sort of gap indicates people who are frank and friendly. They will tend to mix up very well. They will share everything that is there. There are loops in the O. This is a small loop, a big loop, and even a bigger loop. This indicates people who are secretive. They will not share what is there in their mind. Bigger the loop, more secretive they are. See, now this stroke of being secretive, this may be a negative trait or negative stroke if it comes in the age of teenagers, even the handwriting of teenagers, because then they will not able to share what is there in their mind, so it will be difficult to guide them. But if it comes in the handwriting of mature people, then it may be a positive stroke also, because being secretive also implies trustworthiness. Because if a person is secretive, and if you go and tell them, look, I am telling you something very confidential, please don't share with anyone. So normally they will not share it with anyone, so they can be trusted one, they are trustworthy. Now here you see there are double loops. One loop in the beginning of the O and one in the end of the O. This is a slightly dangerous trait. This indicates people who are dishonest. Dishonesty is depicted in this, or maybe they have a habit of lying, jhoot bolne ki aadat. So this sort of O, we have to be little careful. I was telling you about lower strokes. This is a CY with downstroke which is finishing straight down. This sort of straight downstroke indicates people who have strong determination. Here there are small loops in the Y's which indicate people who are choosy or selective. Here there are big loops in the Y. This is a big loop and this is even a bigger loop. And here also there is a loop. This sort of loops indicate people who are creative and have a good imagination. And they can be, like very artistic. They might be having some interest in music, dance, art, or they may be having creativity in their work also. So they will have this sort of strokes, the full and big Y's and G loops. Here you see the Y is halfway through. It is not complete. Here also it is halfway. Here also it is halfway. This sort of incomplete loops indicate people who are not using their creativity to full extent. They are creative, no doubt, but they are not using or showing their creativity in their work. Now here you see the Y is finishing straight and there is a swinging stroke ahead, here and here. This sort of swinging stroke is a positive stroke. It indicates people who have got a good initiative. A good initiative is indicated by this stroke. Okay, now I will show you some T's. Now T has got a very important value in handwriting analysis. This is a normal T. The T bar is made towards the top and this T bar is made even little higher. This sort of T bars coming towards the higher side indicate people who are ambitious and their goals are well defined. Here you see the T bar is going above the stem. It is above the stem. This indicates people who are actually overthinkers or dreamers. They think too much that I will do this, but practical effort to achieve their dreams or goals is not there. Here the T bar goes down. It is going to the lower side. This indicates people who lack confidence in their own abilities. Not that they are not confident, they may be confident, but they have a doubt in their own confidence level. Whether they will be able to do it or not, ये काम को हम करें कि नहीं करें. This sort of doubt will come in people which is having a low T bar. Here the T is having an inverted V. This indicates people who are stubborn, ziddi. Here the T bar is going to the right. This indicates people with short temper. This is a T bar going to the left. A T bar going to left is procrastination, habit of keeping things pending. Here you will see there is a hook in the T bar. This sort of hook indicates jealousy or greed. Now here the T bar is finishing thick and ending starting thick and ending in a point. This indicates people who have got sarcasm, people who are sarcastic. There is a downstroke here. A T bar going down indicates people who are dominating. A T bar going up like this indicates people who are optimistic, positive thinkers. Now here you see the T bar is very light. It is very light and hardly you can see it. This indicates people who are lacking in willpower. Willpower is less and maybe their goals are not well defined. Here the T bar is having a curve. This is a convex curve and this is a concave curve. This indicates people who have got self-control. This is again a good stroke because that indicates that you are consciously or subconsciously trying to control some negative trait which you have realized you have in yourself. Suppose you know that you have got temper and you are trying to control it, then you will find this sort of strokes. Now here this is a waving T bar. This indicates people with a good sense of humor. Now here there is an initial long stroke in the starting of the T. See, is this sort of long stroke coming in the beginning of the words, not only in the T, but it can be any letter like A, L, B, any letter. This indicates resentment. People who carry grudges, they are not able to forget some incident which gives them trouble. So this is not a good stroke because it will disturb you a lot and you will not be able to do your activities in a regular way. You will be disturbed all the time. Whenever you think of that incident or resentment, you will be disturbed. Here the T bar and T stem, they are knotted, they are joined. This sort of stroke indicates people who are persistent. Once they start anything, they will not feel easy till they finish the work. So they will actually not sit down peacefully till they finish the work in hand. So this is a stroke of persistence. So this will give you an idea how actually we do the analysis of the handwriting.